So we're at this zoo. I forget what it's called, but fuck it. But yeah, it's pretty tight. It's pretty tight. We got some cool ass koi fish here. Oh, what's up, baby? I'll feed this one, you feed the other one.
Okay, so yeah, I'll feed the other one.
Drums,
yeah.
you know? There you go, bud.
Come on, so it's fair with it.
Yeah. Oh, really? Wow. Dude, they're freaking huge.
Yeah, they're huge, dude.
Alrighty, at this beautiful Airbnb. I'm in where am I at? I'm near Miami. And there's no camping anywhere near here, so I had to pick up the Airbnb. I just cleaned or re-oiled my I cleaned it a while back. I just threw some more oil on this, my air intake. I took a lot of the luggage off because I'm just going into town to meet with my cousin. And I also got a Garmin GPS, the Zumo XT I think it is, so let's do it. I haven't been filming a lot, but mainly because I already have so much footage, but I kind of should have been, because I missed out on a lot of cool things yesterday. My cousin was like showing me around town and stuff. It was super cool. Let's do it. And I'm gonna be looking at my phone for the GPS a lot of the time, so it feels weird not having a backrest. And I got this GPS screaming at me. It actually feels really weird not having stuff behind me. I feel like all my shit fell off, but it's not my bad. But yeah, I've just been chilling, guys. I've been just enjoying this this trip. So I think in my last video that you guys have not seen yet, I said that I've got like a secret of what my plans are, and basically I'm gonna go back to North Carolina just to chill for a little bit. I'm probably gonna see if I can pick up some work, make some more some money. I've just been spending a lot of money. I'm good, honestly. I'm good with money right now, but I could see how over time, if I do a longer trip, I will definitely run out of money. I'm gonna post like vlogs and stuff there, just me riding around and stuff. But yeah, so the traveling stuff is gonna stop for at least a couple weeks, just so I can get my shit straight before I do like a actual cross-country shit. I've been enjoying the mess out of it. I love it. I think this is what I want to do for sure. I definitely need a better bike for it. I love Sabrina, my Bolt, but yeah, I'm gonna hopefully eventually get a better bike for traveling. I want an adventure bike so I can do off-roading and shit. That'd be amazing. And now I've got the GPS for it, so it'll be super sweet. But yeah, my arms are so freaking tan. I can't ride around with long sleeves here. And I don't even have a long sleeve shirt or anything. So I've just been baking in this sun, man. It's hot. It's let's see, this thing should tell me. Yeah, 79. I don't think that's correct, to be honest with you, though. I think it's 81. I checked this morning. Unless it's cooled down somehow, but I don't think it did. But yeah, that is the plan. That is the plan. So today we're just gonna go ride around, probably just go hit some bars. I'm gonna go see some family. And yeah, so tomorrow I'm staying in the same place that I stayed last night. Tonight, hence why I don't have any luggage on the back or anything. It's all in the Airbnb. So tomorrow I'm probably gonna, not probably, I have to. I'm gonna leave early in the morning and hit the road, head down to Key West. It's like an hour and 30 or 4 hours and 30 minutes from where I'm at now. Probably more, honestly, but I'm gonna do that. Go to the Keys. So it should be a pretty epic video. I got, it'll be in this video. I got a campsite in Key West for one night, so I'm gonna do that. And then the next day, probably gonna wake up early, pack up all my stuff, leave the campsite, and hang out in Key West for a little bit longer, but eventually head back up here. Probably get an Airbnb or something here. Really, dude. And then yeah, I'm gonna hit Tampa. I'm probably gonna chill in Tampa for a while. Like I said, I have enjoyed this for sure. I love this, and I love taking my time doing it. I don't like flying through states, you know, especially if it's a cool ass state like Florida and stuff. I don't like just flying through it. I want to take my time and relax and just chill and explore as much as I can, meet as many people as I can. I've met amazing freaking people. I've met like a ton of people. Yeah, so hopefully I can keep doing that, meeting people and stuff. It's so hot I can't even think straight right now. So I'm still gonna go across country, but it's just gonna be more of like me just traveling around, you know, and doing my own thing. So alright, let's endure this highway. 95 sucks from like South Carolina to here. Already, Agaba, fucking sick place. Look at that art. I don't know if you guys can see that. Super sick art. We're down to head, drop off the bike, and head to another bar.
Bang on my dad's door.
I'm ready. Beautiful Airbnb. I will see you, Key West. Here I come. I'm all loaded back up. I look like you ever see that that YouTuber Scooter Tramp or something like that? He's been like living on the road for like years and years and years. Alrighty, Key West. Here I come. We ended up staying out pretty freaking late last night. But yeah, we're gonna try to survive this trip up to Key West. Hopefully it'll be not too bad. Alright, well, it was a little awkward, but I got a picture in front of the guitar, the hard rock guitar. You okay? But you got a dead battery?
Listen, I'm not really sure. I'm just trying to go about the process of elimination.
All right, we'll see if that works, and I'll give you a jump if it doesn't. I thought I could help, man. Yeah, I got you. You guys see this Lambo? Ooh, man. Check out that water. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me tell you, it's fucking beautiful. Check this out, dude. It is like so light blue. It's so clear. I could like see the reefs down in there, you know? It is so sick. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Absolutely bloody gorgeous. Yeah, yeah. My sister and my brothers still got me left out. Well, my favorite colors. Set up. And yeah. I'm actually gonna go see if I can find a spot for the sunset, because I know the sunset's about to be beautiful as fuck. But first things first, it's hot as hell. I'm gonna go change.